Hi.
Hi.
I'm
Sasha.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Pleasure.
Nakaa fiti.
Thank you. Pia wewe uko na matako tu. Uko na mahago.
Hey, I hope you're straight.
I'm not. I love gold. Yo, that's a joke.
Hey, wewe utafanya nikimbie. Are you dating?
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess so.
What you guess? You're not sure?
Naweza kuwa miss your main.
Anyway, Chebut. Tumpige tusikie kama anaweza kuokolea.
Sawa.
Kama kuna demi yake.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Babe. Babe.
Yo, what's up?
What's up?
KTV niko hola.
No. I need to tell you something real quick.
Sure.
I need to buy something and like I need some cash.
Adi?
I need to buy something and I need some cash.
How much?
1,000 bucks.
When I give my ass got cash right now, I'm broke as fuck.
Sai unataka niombe nani? Babe.
Well, I'm going to pick a bad timing. I'm fucking broke.
Bad timing.
Huh?
Bad timing.
Bad timing for real though. Some other would do it for sure.
So itabidi nitafute mtu wa kuomba.
You're serious?
Yeah, for real though. I need money.
Aye.
Babe.
Some other would do it.
Send me money.
I ain't got cash now.
You ain't got cash for me?
For sure. It's just like for no one. I ain't got cash for no one.
Sawa, basi acha we?
Utaduaje sasa?
Nitatafuta mtu wa kuomba.
Siko serious, unajua mazeni kama mazo uko joke.
No, babe, I'm serious.
For real though?
Yeah, for real.
Aye.
So what do you want me?
Utaduaje sasa?
What do you want me to do?
What do you want me to do?
Yeah, I need cash.
Call your pops.
Call
your pops.
I call my pops.
Yeah, last time I checked.
Yeah?
Just like you gonna be calling your pops.
Babe. Pesa alinitumia iliisha.
Siko serious.
Yeah, I need money.
I'm dead.